Live and direct, Money's stereo installation. Got another one coming in, keeping them in, moving them out. This is a particular situation, we moving them in. Let's see what we got going today. Hey y'all, this is Rob at Money's stereo installation. Man, what are we looking at right here? What kind of bike we got here, plan?
2022 Harley Davidson Road Glide ST.
Question, my man, how long you been on HDs, man?
Ah, shit. I've been riding since, let me see, Let's Ride video was 96. I've probably been riding since 94.
Since 94? Man, how many bikes you have been through? Cause I've seen a few of your creations, man.
94 or 95.
You said 94 or 95.
I've been through probably about, no lie, about 20 bikes.
About 20 bikes? Okay. Out of all them bikes, what was your favorite?
I had a purple Road King, man. That was, cause see, I started on a Softail, 94 Softail. And I remember going to Reno one year, and I couldn't get my bike out to go to to the liquor store because there was hella bikes blocked in.
Yeah.
And this dude threw me his keys to a Road King. And I started that motherfucker up and got on. I was at the light. I'm like, damn, why this motherfucker ain't vibrating? But I didn't know the difference between rubber mounted and non-rubber mounted at the time. Man, I left out of Reno, went straight to Fresno and bought a Road King.
Okay, okay.
But I had a Pepsi Blue Road Glide too. I think it was a 2004 maybe. I like a lot of them. A lot of them be cool, but I really like this motherfucker right here. Like ST to me, cause I ain't did much to it, like appearance wise.
Yeah.
Like I used to put the big wheels on the front and all the shit, but the way they got this bike set up, I just kind of left it like it is. I just added my own little touches, handlebars, 12-point stainless steel bolt kit, cables, pipe.
Right.
And just powdered a lot of shit black that they already had that was silver, like my latches, and I don't take them too far away from where Harley have them now because they're easier to sell.
Okay. You don't want to make it too personal to you. Like for example, you had a Tupac bike, right?
Yeah, I still got that.
Okay. Yeah. That's a personal scenario. Exactly. So you got to be in love with Tupac to really appreciate that bike.
Exactly.
And so yeah.
So yeah, man, I just I was debating putting music on the bike. You know what I mean? Because nigga getting a little old. I like having a place to put my shit. But I pulled the bike out for Memorial Day weekend. And I didn't ride it. And I was like, damn, I should get some music. I figured I'd call you up. So I hit my man, got your number. And then that's why I called you and I said, just shoot me your address. Because if you wouldn't have shot me your address, I probably would have faked myself out of it. Like, do I really want some music? When I woke up and I said, damn, I done already told him I'm coming. I said, fuck it, let me get the bike over there. Plus, I mean, it's a few niggas doing music, My boy, White Boy John do music. You do music. And I just like the way your shit sound. I like the way John's shit sound, too. Okay. Goddamn, I'm over here fucking with Money Rob. Okay,
I appreciate that, my man. Yeah. Questions on that first album cover with the 5.0 with the Series 2 Zenith, man. Was they on you with that car?
Hey, come on, bro.
Okay.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I own a pair of gold ones until I'm a 200-year-old nigga. I just like them cars, bro.
Okay.
Wheels,
Yeah.
I just put a set on my Cougar, set on my colors. But yeah, they was on me for sure. that was early on, way back in the day.
Yeah. I'll let you know. I've been watching you for a while, my man. For sure. Yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm just letting it go like that. We're gonna get it going. This is Money from Rob's Stereo Installation. Money Stereo Installation. We gotta go. When you're dealing with a bike with special parts on it, you may need special tools. Hence, my man has went 10, 12 points everywhere. Even that one. That one. The tank. Where's that? Down there. But you know what? Special moments. Got to have special tools. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. That's the word of the day. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready so you can make it happen. Let's go.